In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello API key. If you've been looking to enhance your Trello experience with some custom integrations, or just need access to more advanced features, securing your API key is the first step. So let's dive in step by step. To begin this journey, head to your web browser and type in the URL trello.com/powerups/admin. When you arrive on this page, you'll see a section that is home to the power-ups. It's nestled under the apps category. Make sure you locate it because this is where all the integration magic happens in Trello. Once you've found the section, look for a button labeled New. Clicking on this is your gateway to creating a new power-up or integrating something fresh into your Trello setup. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new power-up or integration. This is an important step as it helps you identify the specific function or tool you're setting up in Trello. Choose a name that makes sense to you and relates to what you'll be doing with this key. After that, it's time to select a workspace. This is essentially choosing where you want this integration to live within your Trello environment. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure to select the workspace that will benefit most from your new power-up. Once the workspace is selected, you'll need to enter your email. This ensures that Trello can contact you about any notifications or updates related to the API key. Alongside this email, you're also asked for a support contact email. Think of this as a backup or secondary email, perhaps belonging to someone in your team who can also address any support-related inquiries. You're then required to provide an author name. It's another straightforward step. This is essentially crediting the person or team behind this new creation or integration, perhaps your own name or your organization's. Now that all the fields are filled, go ahead and click on Create. This action formalizes the setup and takes you a step closer to generating the actual API key. With the setup confirmed, you'll find an option to generate a new API key. Go ahead and click on that. This is the point where Trello assembles your unique key that will give your app or integration access to Trello's capabilities. After clicking, look for another confirmation button that will say something along the lines of Generate API Key. Finally, once your API key appears on the screen, make sure to copy it. This key is crucial. It's the password to your integration success, so store it in a secure place. And there you have it. You've successfully generated your Trello API key, opening the door to integrate more deeply and efficiently with Trello. Happy integrating and see you next time.